Tapescript 3.8.5.
Okay, if we all work together, we'll pass the exams easily.
That would be great. I'm not very good at exams.
I don't need any help. I always do well in my exams.
Shh! Lee-Wan, everyone works together at exam time.
Okay, what should we do?
Lee-Wan, can you organize our review sessions?
Okay.
What day? Will you write our study schedules?
No problem.
Lee-Wan, can you create some quizzes to help us revise?
Okay.
Will you also collect the books we need from the library?
No problem. Can you organize some food and drink beside?
Okay.
What day? Will you bring paper, pens, and pencils, please?
Okay.
Lee-Wan, can you speak to the teacher and ask for some study tips?
No problem.
What day? Will you collect the mock exams so we can practice?
Okay, no problem. I think we have everything planned now.
Okay.
Okay.
Organize. Organize.
Arrange. Arrange.
Schedule. Schedule. Revise. Revise.